Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Accessibility, then Assistive Access. This places the tool where you need it. Once there, make sure your device is on a compatible iOS version, and update if necessary. This prevents missing features. Next, pick the app you want assistive access to control and tap Enable so the system can create a session for that app. Doing this now saves time later, because the framework gathers permissions and overlays the simplified interface automatically. Once enabled, you customize controls to match the user's needs. Pick a preset like Basic or Focused if you want fast setup, or choose Custom to fine-tune every item. You will adjust touch target size and reduce complex gestures, because simpler input reduces errors. Also configure allowed actions so only needed features are available, and set session timeout and home behavior to control app exit. Make sure to enable voice feedback if auditory cues are helpful, since consistent feedback improves. To finish, test the assistive access session by performing the app's core tasks and noting anything missing. This confirms the configuration works in real use. If something fails, go back and refine settings or toggle the session off and on to reload changes. If problems persist, update iOS and restart the iPhone to clear transient issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset assistive access only after you document settings, because rebuilding a custom profile is faster when you have a quick reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.